Hello, friends. On the occasion of Milan Design Week 2025, the renowned Italian tap brand Zucchetti is opening the doors to an entirely new showroom on Corso Venezia. And, of course, they are showcasing new products, as well as historical collections, many of which have become design classics. The showroom concept is designed as a Wunderkammer, where in several cabinets of curiosities we see these very new models and the existing Zucchetti collections. The first new product is called Veloce. Veloce means speed, and the Canadian duo Yabu Pushelberg were inspired by the fast cars of the 1930s, as well as the elegant geometry of architectural details of buildings. These mixers can be configured in a single-handle version, as well as in the classic two-handle version. Note that on the single-handle mixers, the handle has sharper edges, while the classic version features smoother lines. Additionally, various engravings can be applied to these handles and bodies. This is precisely a reference to architectural elements. The engraving will undoubtedly add a certain optical play and create pleasant tactile sensations when interacting with these items. This collection, just like other Zucchetti collections, is offered in various PVD finishes, which can certainly suit a wide range of styles. And for illustration, Zucchetti showcases two quite expressive compositions here. I really like how the brushed copper harmonizes with the rough black stone. On the other hand, we see brushed gold, which looks very elegant on the more refined white stone. Ellissea is a new shower collection created by Alberto and Francesco. Meda. Zucchetti already has a very successful history of collaboration with this design duo. The inspiration for creating this collection came from the ellipse, but it's not a simple ellipse, it's a rotating ellipse. And this movement of the two-dimensional shape creates a very harmonious object, and it looks, despite its geometric origin, quite natural. But most importantly, relevant. Some see the silhouette as resembling a sea urchin. Ellissea is offered as a ceiling shower in two different diameters, 180 and 250 millimeters. It can be installed on the wall or mounted on the ceiling. There is a small fitness shower, and there is also a handheld shower. Again, all items can be finished in different PVD shades. And also, attention should be paid to the water flow that gushes from this shower head. Because the disc has a convex shape, like a lens, the flow is significantly wider than the diameter of the head itself. The design of the collection is so versatile that you can combine these shower heads with mixers from different collections. It looks wonderful with the Meda collection from the creators of Ellissea, and it looks great with the more minimalist single-handle pan mixer. As for last year's novelty, Sablier, I think these handles harmonize beautifully with the side showers. Regarding the hand showers, it's worth noting that the hoses can match the finish of the mixer, or you can opt for a contrasting red plastic hose, and this will serve as a bright, very sophisticated, in my opinion, accent in the rather restrained color palette of this cabinet of curiosities. The third novelty is an entire system of curiosities. It's a collection of showers called Bar 59, created by the creative director of Zucchetti, Matteo Fiorini, in collaboration with the studio Lies. As the name suggests, the idea came from a bar, but there's a certain play on words here, because bar in English also means a pipe. At the core, we see two perfect cylinders with diameters of 5 or 9 centimeters. And these cylinders, in turn, can be imagined as glasses placed on various trays. And with the help of these trays, waiters serve drinks to the patrons of this bar. Well, of course, it's very interesting that besides the diameters, you can also choose different lengths. For these glasses, there are special frames, that is, the very trays, on which you can place the number of glasses you need. Well, essentially, this number is determined by the functions you would like to have. Massage jets are offered, laminar jets, the so-called crystal, and a very impressive rain effect is available. and in a large diameter, 9 centimeters. You can also choose a jet that resembles a waterfall. This collection has solutions for side showers, but I was very impressed by the handheld shower. This is the first handheld shower that has a double spray head. On one side, one type of jet, and on the other side, another. That is, a regular and a massage one, for example. And the issue of switching between these types of jets is solved very creatively. You simply turn the head and get the desired flow. And just like Ellissea, Bar 59 pairs beautifully with various collections of built-in mixers. Whether it's Hell or the Cube button control, or Easy 22, the classic Zucchetti collection, updated in the year 2022. Of course, the Zucchetti shower program is not limited to these two new collections. Here we see multifunctional ceiling-mounted shower panels with laminar flow, a large tropical rain shower, or a waterfall, separate wall-mounted waterfalls, wall-mounted shower systems, as well as the so-called shower pipe, which is a fully assembled shower system for simple and convenient installation. This shower system, along with Ellissea and Bar 59, is made of stainless steel, a highly hygienic and reliable material. For clarity, and to make your choice of mixers and combinations, with shower programs more convenient, there are 3 more boxes with curiosities presented here, and it truly is an exotic assortment. Honestly, I can't recall anyone else having such a wide range. Here are the new items from past seasons. This is the Octa collection with a very thin spout. It is only 8 mm thick. The Pan collection, updated last year by Ludovica and Roberto Palomba. Here, attention should be paid to the very unusual colors, which are very trendy. They can be matte, glossy, and slightly pearlescent. Also new from last year, inspired by the aesthetics of an hourglass, is the Sablia collection. The Bellagio collection, a design classic, and a favorite among Art Deco enthusiasts. Previously mentioned collections Meda, and also Helm by David Kincones, for lovers of total classics Agora, and, of course, all sorts of configurations of Easy 22. This includes a single-handle version with a classic silhouette, a single-handle version with a rotating progressive cartridge, and, of course, a more luxurious version with handles made from various types of marble. The company was founded in 1929 by Alfredo Zucchetti. As you can imagine, over nearly a century-long history, they have undertaken quite a significant creative journey, crowned with successful collaborations with various designers. This is precisely what the exhibition on the second level of the showroom is dedicated to, which I definitely recommend visiting, as well as the showroom itself. And, of course, pay attention to the Zucchetti range when planning your next project. Give a big like, write something nice, and of course, share this video with your friends. The new products from Zucchetti are definitely worth it. Goodbye.